Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about mutable sets. A mutable set is a collection that allows you to modify its elements after it's created. Mutable sets are used to store a collection of unique elements, and you can add, remove, and modify elements within a mutable set. These sets are part of Kotlin's collection framework and are created using functions like mutable set of. The mutable set of function is used to create a mutable set in Kotlin. For example, val fruits equals to mutable set of apple, banana, and cherry. This function takes a var arg parameter, allowing you to specify the initial elements of the set. The fruits mutable set can be modified. You can add, remove, or update elements in this set. For example, you can modify a mutable set using various functions and operations. And I'll start with the add. Fruits dot add function, and I'll add melon. Melon will add it at the end of this mutable set. Mutable sets provide flexibility when you need to work with a dynamic collection of unique elements and as you change the set's content as your program runs. For example, if I try to add an existing element here, I'll add apple and try to print all the elements of the fruits. In the same way, I'll iterate over a set element here and I'll change the set fruits. Let me run, and this is the fruits set: apple, banana, cherry, and melon. You can notice that despite we added the apple element to our fruits set, this apple is duplicate. So it will prevent duplicate elements in the set. It ensures that only unique elements are in this set. So this will be omitted or skipped. This is the usage of the sets in Kotlin. Only unique elements. Here I tried to add a duplicate element, an element that exists. So it will prevent this addition. To remove elements from a set, we start with the set dot remove, and you can add remove if, remove function, remove all, and so on. I'll remove melon. Also, you can update the set's element. For example, if I need to update banana, I need to remove banana and then add orange. In Kotlin, sets are collections of unique elements, and by design, they don't allow duplicate elements. Since each element is in the set is unique, you can't directly update an element as you might in a mutable list or a mutable map. Instead, to update a set, you typically follow these steps. You remove the old element and add the new element. You can't directly specify the banana and replace it with orange. You need to remove it with the remove function and add it with the add function that adds a new element. Sets automatically ensure the uniqueness of their elements. If you want to update an element based on a specific condition, you can use a loop or an iterator to traverse the set. Find the element you want to update and then apply the update steps as needed.